Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on using your punches with the Pick of the Patch bundle. Here is my Pick of the Patch card using the Pick of the Patch bundle, where we have the stamp set and the builder punch that punches out these two pumpkins, the leaf and the stem. So I'm going to show you a trick with the builder punches to perfectly line up your pumpkins. So you're going to have your piece of paper. This is some very vanilla. And you're going to use out of the stamp set. So this is the thin piece that comes and this is the thick piece. So you have the thick piece right here, and you're going to save these and use these as templates for your dies or punches. So don't throw these away. And what you're going to do is you're going to punch out the whole pumpkin builder. So that's what I've done. And I've used some washi tape to hold my pumpkins in place in case I want to mask, which I will also show you. But for now, I am going to take these two off. Oh, I'm taking it from the wrong side. That's why it broke. I was like, why did it break? Okay, and so it's just nice to have these on washi tape so they don't escape from you, because they might want to try to escape. Okay, and so you're going to place this on your paper, and then you're going to take the stamp and just put it right in the middle there. And then you're going to take the other stamp and do the same thing. You could also do this, if you still have it, on a Stamparatus. And then you're just going to pick them up with your block. And then it's going to punch out perfectly. So I'm just going to put this one back in place because I'm going to show you a little bit of the masking that you can do. So a little trick that I do to try to keep my clear photopolymer stamps from staining is I stamp it in Versamark first, and that protects the stamp a little bit from the ink, but it will still stamp perfectly. And so now we can just line this up to punch it out, and it should line up perfectly. So I've got my two pumpkins. Next, I'm going to stamp my leaves and stems in Lost Lagoon along with the sentiment, a harvest of blessings. Okay, now I'm gonna punch out the leaves. So I'm just going to put this in the bottom so I can punch that out. And now I think it would be fun to stamp some little curly cues behind the pumpkins. So I'm just gonna put the pumpkins where they're gonna go. Maybe stamp some of those. All right, so the other thing that I wanted to show you with the mask is that you can use it with the blending brushes. And I'm just going to kind of start off the pumpkin here. And just be careful to keep it in the one pumpkin. And so we're going to do that. And so we have number 1 pumpkin, and then we're going to cover up the pumpkin. Should have put the tape that way. And we're going to take off this pumpkin, and then we can move this pumpkin over here. And again, just make it darker over on this side. Okay. And now we're switching colors. So I'm just going to wipe this off a little bit. Since we're going to do Lost Lagoon, I don't want it to mix. And then we'll stick this one back in. And we have the stem. So we're going to do the stem on this tall one right here. And so I'm going to get my Lost Lagoon and my little brush, and you should probably dry this off, but I'm just trying to rush it here. But just go like that, and then you've got your stem. And then we're going to uncover the leaf and put that aside. And we'll put the leaf over here on this cute little pumpkin. So I think I tilted it a little bit. And there's our leaf. So how cute is that? And then you can use the Stylish Shapes dies to cut this out and add some little designer series paper with it, and you get a cute little card. So that is my Pick of the Patch pumpkin cards. You can receive this card kit for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. So go to my website and check it out.